Hi, good morning friends. Today we are going to play with the beginning sound. What is the beginning sound? Later Miss Lee will show you, but before that, I'm gonna make sure that your listening ears are on and your looking eyes are on so you can hear and see everything. So are you ready to play with the game? Let's check this out. Okay friends, so let's read the phonics sound together. B, K, D, F, G. Now, do you see a butterfly picture and three boxes with the green, yellow, and blue colors? What should you do with this? You should guess the beginning sound of the picture. After that, we continue to guess where is the beginning sound in each box. What do you think? Butterfly has B as beginning sound? So where is B? In blue box? No, there is no B. How about in green? No, there is no B. This one, the last, yellow. So yeah, this is B. So everybody, let's repeat. B, B, B is for butterfly. And next, so this is cat. Cat has K as beginning sound. So where is K? How about we check? What do you think? Aha, this is not K. And this one? What do you think? No. So this is K. Yes, correct. So let's repeat. K. K. K is for cat. Meow. Good job. Now, this is dolphin. So dolphin has D as beginning sound. So where is D? In here? No. Next, let's open another box. How about blue? No. And so the last is yellow. Yeah. So this is D. So let's repeat together. Correct. Okay, D is for dolphin. Good job. Next, this is flower. So flower has F as beginning sound. So can you guess? Over here? I think no, this is not F. Next, okay. How about this? No. And the last, yeah, so this is F, correct. So everybody flower. Good job. Now this is guitar. So how about the beginning sound? Is this G? No. This one? No. So this is G. So G, G, G is for guitar. Good job. Next, so this is ball. Yeah, ball has B as beginning sound. So where is B? What do you think? No. In blue box? No. The yellow box? No. So this one. Yeah, so this is B. Okay, B, B, B is for ball. Good job. And this one, this is car. So car has K. K. Okay, now let's check. No. Okay, next. This one, how about maybe in blue? No, this is not K. So this one, yes, so this is K. So let's repeat together. K, K, K is for car. Good job. And this is duck. So duck has D as beginning sound. Now choose where is D. In here. No, this is not D. So another box maybe. How about like we check in blue? No, this is not D. So where is D? Yes, so this is D. So everybody let's repeat together. D, D, D is for duck. Good job. Okay, so next let's do the worksheet. Don't forget to write down the name and also the date. Like this. Okay, and you see the picture, right? There is a butterfly has B, cat is K, dolphin is D, flower is F, guitar is G, ball is B, car is K, duck is D. Good job. Now done. Are you fun today, friends? Thank you for being a good student and pay attention. So you should be more spiritful for doing our activities today. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.